Yeah. Nowadays, homeworks are not taking. I know homeworks are taking. No homework only. Yes. No. It's a test, right? You are telling to practice, but no. Yes. First bench. Ah. What happened? What happened? Or okay, no, how many days you are? Okay. You went to Alibag and all like no, पीछे बैठना दो सर मंडे लगे अरे डोंट वरी मुझे बड़ी होनी चाहिए अरे मैं तेरे साथ ही नहीं करता साथ भी नहीं करना भी नहीं चाहिए तो वो सिखा दिया फिर से करेगा तो फिर प्रोजेक्ट इज डन फिर कुछ करेगा आपने को बता दें Revision tests are not going now. Again, chapter math. Yeah. Enough. Yeah, stop talking. Listen. Where? Any deleted portions added in the school? Not done does not mean that it is deleted. Are ma'am told that. Yes. That discussion solved. Now listen. We have pre-answer standard. Which chapter we have to revise and come today?
And quadratic equation. Now look here. Sit down. Abdul, what happened? Comment. You have to change and to bring you friend. No. Similarity I have seen notice in a majority are unable to do. Okay, I'll be in this one. So the Monday when you are coming, at least for every exercise, take the Selena and the exercise. I think you have 4 exercises, no? 4 or 5 exercises. 4 exercises. Every exercise, 5 sums you do it and 1. Okay. At least, and I need to see the solution. Okay. So practice that one. Because you know, majority are writing. Some other chapters, something you are doing. But at least this chapter not doing. Toward then I will give the sum for the quadratic equation and the matrices. We started with the line, the equation of the line. We last class we discussed about what is the linear equation, what does it represent, solution and all. Linear equation form is what? What is the general form? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What does it represent? Straight line. Isn't it? It represents a straight line. And the solution, how many solutions are there? These are the things are done. Today we are going to discuss about how to find the slope of the line, condition for parallel lines, condition for perpendicular line, how to prove the points are collinear and all these things. Okay. Now, before going to the slope, let me see. All of you can close the book now. Intercept some. Intercept later. Yeah. First is heading 1 by 1 terms I will give you. Be regular, otherwise half things you will not follow and you will not do it. Write down inclination of a line. Inclination. Inclination, INCLI. Signed all of you? Attendance sheet all of you signed?
Yes, sir.
Achit, what come? I don't know. Achit, Krish. Okay. Sanvi. Yeah. Rohit also. Okay. Inclination of a line. Written? Yes. Right. It is the angle made by the line. It is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis. With the positive direction of x-axis. With the positive direction of x-axis. Denoted by theta. Denoted by theta. What is the positive direction of x-axis? OX. Go at the right side. No. Don't tell first quadrant, okay? That way I'm going to draw a line. Look over here. This line is drawn. Okay. With the x-axis, how many angles are forming? 2 angles. What supplementary now? One is theta means the other one is 180 minus theta. Or if it is 1 is 60 means other one is 180 minus 60. Now you have to identify which is the inclination. If there are 2 angles, I will mark 1 and 2. Okay. Even if I take these 2, they are vertically opposite. These 2 vertical. Is it 1 is inclination or 2 is inclination? 1 or 2? 1. So look here. Positive direction. Understood or not? Okay. So this is the one. Then it is, this is 3. 6. Why you late? Sign the attendance sheet and go. So this is, so this value is coming. Angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis. If it is coming in this way. in the angle is coming in this form. This is the see positive and this angle. So whatever the angle, let's say it is 135 degree means 135. Understood or not? Okay. Now over here, so follow now. There are somewhere it will be shown. This is how much 135 degree. What is the balance this angle?
180 minus the
180 minus 135. So inclination can be written as minus 45 also. Okay. Basically, it is always inclination. This one, it can be minus 45. Here it is 60 means what is the balance? 20 minus 120. Generally, why I am telling this one means your MCQs are there. So if it is given plus minus, you have to be careful. Okay. If it is this angle, so here what is inclination? There are 4 options can be given. Okay, it can be 60, minus 60. Okay, like that it can be. So minus 60 is it? Minus 60 is it the inclination? No. This one, it's this one, no. 60 is the inclination. 120, is it correct? No. Minus 120, yes. Over here, it can be 135 or minus 40. Are you followed this way?
Yes.
135 or minus 45. Sum is equal to 180 now. Okay, so inclination is clear now.
Yes. Yes.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
I'll ask the question. Listen. What is the English? Somebody said something. Pushkaraj, you said something. What is it? How it is minus C? Always look at to the right side, toward the right side and the angle. And if this is the angle, means the another one is 180 minus that angle. That you take always. If it is toward the left side, means minus angle. Okay. Understood all of you? Okay. Now, question 1. What is the inclination of x-axis? Those who know raise a hand. What is the inclination of x-axis? Those who got the answer, raise the hand. Yes, Bilal. No answer. Huh?
180.
0 degree. Angle between x-axis and x-axis. It will be minus 180, you can write, but 0 degree. Okay, understood now? And what is the inclination? What do you mean by inclination? Angle between x-axis and the line. Means x-axis and x-axis. They are coincident, the angle is equal to 0 degree. What is the inclination of y-axis?
0.
Oh.
90.
Angle inclination of y-axis equal to 90 degree. Understood or not? Okay. If you want to write, you can write the minus 90 also possible, but write only positive. Okay. Right. Inclination of x-axis is 0 degree. Inclination of y-axis is inclination of x-axis is equal to 0 degree. Inclination of y-axis is equal to 90 degree. And drawn one figure. What is the inclination of this line? Those who know, raise their hands. What is the inclination of this line? Those who got the answer, raise their hand. 130.
140.
In any way, 130 will not come, no? 140 maybe. 180 minus, no? So, is it a pakka? 50 or 130 or 140? Now look here. Shh. Stop talking. Whatever Siddhara said is correct. What is this angle? What is this angle? 50 now. This is 90, 40. Therefore, what is this angle? Are you followed or not?
Yes.
See, this is the angle is coming now. Vertically opposite. Yes or no? And this is 50, therefore this is equal to 130. Not followed? Okay, so you are okay, once is enough. Now, so this is the way you have to find out if the figure it is given. No problem. Okay now. Next, heading below, next heading right. Right, slope. Slope. There is another name for slope, anyone knows? Gradient. E somewhere you will see E, somewhere you will see A. Gradient. Gradient. Slope or gradient of a line. Or gradient of a line. Right. It is denoted by M. Slope is denoted by M. Small letter M. Defined as M is equal to tan theta. M is equal to tan theta. Defined as M is equal to tan theta, where theta is the inclination. Where theta is the inclination. This man is not there. Blue. Social. Okay. So denoted by what? M. Tan theta. Understood or not? Okay. Now. So what define the slope, we will get another formula also. It's immediately you are going to get. So what is the slope means? Slope of a line is M denoted by tan theta. Okay, or M is equal to tan theta defined. Okay now. Now, one by one, before going to this one by one questions. First question comes as all values you know, standard angle values. Yes, tan 0, tan 30, by root 3, tan 45, tan 60, tan 90, not defined. Okay, tan 90 is not defined. Now, beyond that, you have to learn little more values. That means all the supplement of these all values. That is 120, 135, 150, and 180. I'll explain to you. Is there anyone know? Listen, tan 120, tan 120 means take its supplement. 120 supplement is what? 60, negative of that value. What is tan 60? Minus 2. Understood or not? How it is coming and all, later in the higher class you study. Remember, how you find out tan 120? The supplement you take. What is the supplement? 60. So minus tan 60. Tan 135. Minus tan 45. Minus 1. 135 means what? 180 minus 45. Okay. Therefore, minus tan 45. Tan 150. Minus 1 by tan 180. Zero. 180 supplement is what? 0 na. Therefore minus tan 0 is tan 0 only na. Yes sir. Okay, understood now. Write these all values. Tan 0 is equal to, write once. Tan 0 is equal to 0. Equal to 0, tan 30, 1 upon root 3, tan 45, 1, tan 60, root 3, tan 90, not defined, tan 120 is equal to minus tan 60, which is equal to minus root 3, tan 135, minus tan 45, which is equal to minus 1, tan 150, minus tan 30, which is equal to minus 1 upon root 3. And the last one is tan 180 equal to 0. Yes. Pushkaraj Standard. We are talking to whom? Priyanshu. Yeah. Written all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Now, next condition will come as one by one. So these all values, these are standard angles you need. Other angles also you should know. You should know means you know how to use the table now.
Yes, sir.
We learned how to make the table and do this.
Sir, if tan 0, if tan 0 is 0, but then if it is not defined, then what will come in 180?
Tan 180?
No, not. Tan
90. Tan 90 you want to say?
Yes. Yes.
Tan 90 not defined is written now. In any case, if you want to put in, generally you will not get a question to substitute. In any case, if you want to substitute, we will not write not defined value, you will write as 1 upon 0. What not defined, write it as 1 upon 0. For example, as he asked, suppose if we want to substitute, like you will see the equations are y minus 5 is equal to not the tan theta is 1 by 0 into x minus 2. There is a situation will come like the formula is coming and then y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Value of x1 y1 is 5 and 2, correspondingly 2 and 5. M is not defined. Not defined will be replaced as 1 by 0. Now do you know how to simplify this one?
Yes.
Cross multiplied. 0 will be cross multiplied over here. When 0 is cross multiplied, what will you get? 0 into y1, 0 into x1. Therefore, x minus 2 equal to 0 or x equal to. Understood now?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone remember what is x equal to 2 means? X equal to 2 means graphical.
X
Equal to 2 means very good. Very good. X equal to 2 means graphically 2 is a unit of x. Parallel to y-axis. At least one girl said, others. X reflection, did you study? X equal to 2, y equal to 3 and all. When a line x equal to 2 is a line which is parallel to y-axis, meeting the x-axis at the point 2. Understood or not? The same thing. Okay. So this one condition all of you followed now. Now next is what is slope of x-axis? Slope of x-axis 0 by tan 0, which is equal to 0. So right. Slope of x-axis. Slope of x-axis is equal to tan 0, which is equal to 0. Directly remember 0. Slope of y-axis not defined, tan 90. Slope of y-axis is not defined. Okay. Understand all of you?
Yes.
Who is that? Who is that? If these two lines are parallel,
Yes.
then if the slope of this, if the inclination is this is theta, what will be this angle? Same theta. So what is the condition? When the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Are you followed now? So right, important one by one properties you are getting. When two lines are parallel, the slopes are equal. When two lines are parallel, the two slopes are equal. That is, M1 is equal to M2. Slopes are equal, that is M1 is equal to M2. Okay. Understood why it is coming? Because equal inclination comes. Next one. Perpendicular na? Why late? Yeah. Listen, all of you. I give, like, let's come to the values I'll give, because the 90 degrees there. Suppose if I give, let's say this angle is equal to 30 degrees. Listen. Wow, 60 degrees. Listen now first. All of you listen here. Now, what is the slope? Let's say this is the line L1, and what is the slope of L2? Find out and tell me. What is the slope of it? No discussion. Find out and tell me. What is the slope of these two lines? The line L1 and the line L2. Those who got the raise a hand. 1, 2. Slope of L1 and L2. Yes, Priyanshu stand up. Yeah. Huh? Sit down. These what you people are telling? Is it slope? Slope or inclination is telling? Stand up, stand up, stand up. Listen, all of you. Stop talking and listen now. This is how much? You have to find out this angle now.
Yes, sir.
Those who got this angle, raise a hand. That is equal to
150.
there are different ways you can tell. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles.
Yes, sir.
Angle sum property otherwise apply. Then you do it. Now, so okay, this is my slope of this line M1 is equal to tan 30, 1 by root 3. Slope of this line M2 is equal to minus root 3. Are you followed now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you take the product is how much? Minus 1. So when two lines, write down, when two lines are perpendicular, when two lines are perpendicular, when two lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is minus 1. Product of the slopes is minus 1. Derivations are not required. I just only. Product of the slopes is minus 1. That is M1, M2 is equal to minus 1. Product of the two slopes. The or M2 is equal to minus 1 upon M1. M2 is equal to minus 1 upon M1. So we yes, other side, both of you, you and your partner, not Pushkaraj, Rudra and Rudra's partner next to Rudra. Yes, I know, I'm seeing what is going on. Yeah. Okay, now, followed now, we have written just now 4 conditions. One is slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of y-axis, nothing much. When two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Same, equal. Okay.
Yes.
Then, when two lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is minus. Okay, product of the slopes for M2 is equal to minus 1 by M1. Yes, standard. Slope of a line, listen here all of you. Slope of a line is equal to 3 by 4. What is the slope of a parallel line? Same 3 by 4 because the lines are parallel. What is slope of the negative perpendicular line? Negative reciprocal minus 4 by 3. M1, M2. Understood or not? When the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. So when the lines are parallel means parallel line slope will be same thing 4 by 3. What is the slope of the perpendicular line? Minus 1 upon the negative reciprocal. All of you are following? Okay, so you have to find out the condition. So follow the condition, how to find out the slope? Yes. Parallel line, perpendicular line. Okay. same condition it is coming as x-axis and y-axis now. What is the slope of x-axis? 0. Negative reciprocal is not defined only. Okay. And reciprocal of not defined? The reciprocal of not 0. Yes or no? Reciprocal of not defined. The tan 90 is what? Not defined. Cot 90, 0. Reciprocals. Okay, opposite is coming. Now, this condition also followed all of you?
Yes,
Now, the next condition. Now, next is slope does not have any unit. Because what is slope? Tan theta. What is tan theta? Ratio between sides. Which are the sides? Perpendicular to the base. Okay, there is no difference coming. Okay, and you see that if the inclination is acute, slope is positive. If the inclination is theta is less than 90, slope is positive. If inclination is obtuse, slope is negative. Okay, next is now coordinate geometry. This much you have studied now. So I'm going to take another properties over here. Let's say the point is, let's say P, whose coordinate is x1, y1, and Q, whose coordinate is, let's say x2, y2. This we have discussed already. Yes. I'll draw, let's say this theta. So what is theta here? What is theta? Inclination of the line. Then what is the slope of this line? Tan theta. I'm going to draw the perpendiculars. Okay now? Yes. First question, Nishta. Are okay, no? Anne-Marie. What is OA? OA is equal to x1. What is OB? x2. What is the AB? x2 minus x1. Therefore, this is what? x2 minus x1. Okay, what is AP? y1. What is PQ? y2. Therefore, this is equal to y2. What is this angle? Parallel na? Tan theta, you know how to find out? What is parallel followed? Perpendicular. Tan theta. Perpendicular upon base. What is the perpendicular? Upon base. Therefore, tan theta is equal to, what is the formula got?
Y minus y. So M is equal to
M is tan theta na? M is equal to, so second formula are you getting?
yes.
Okay, when 2 points on the line is given. So one method you studied inclination is given, that is tan theta. Second one is what? If 2 points, all right, below right. If x1, y1, p x1, y1 if you want to write, p x1, y1 and q x2, y2. Are any 2 points on the line? Are any 2 points on the line? Then the slope of the line is m is equal to, slope of the line is m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So you got the second formula now?
Yes.
So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay. Check, can we write this way? Is equal to y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. Possible?
Sir, no, not possible. It's possible.
Finally decide.
Not possible. It's possible.
Agreed?
Sir, but if the two values are
Let's stop talking and listen. Those who are not followed, I'll show. Relax. Okay.
Yes.
True. No. Oh, so this is true, this is not true.
No, I don't, but
What is 5 minus 3? What is 4 minus 1? 2 by 3. This is minus 2 upon minus 3. Okay. A minus B, see that is why both the side. This can be written this way also. You can write or M is equal to y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x. One of them you learn. Don't need to remember. One of them is enough. What is your problem? Tell me, I'll explain. Hey, look. So sign is taken, one positive, negative is taken. Okay. Y1 minus y2 upon x1. So either you learn this way or this way, but same order. If y2 minus y1, it should be x2 minus x1, not x1 minus x2. And second mistake, it should not be numerator is always y coordinate, denominator is x coordinate. This much is clear.
yes.
Now next, another one. Let's say if the 3 points, I'll just give the example. So let's say 3, 5. B is minus 1, 6. C is let's say as 8, 2. How to find out whether these 3 points are collinear or not? What is the meaning of collinear? You know? Yes. How to find whether these 3 points are collinear? Last year only studied. Midpoint. Midpoint not necessary. Whereas midpoint as is a yes, if you can prove some midpoint is. What is this? Distance formula, by distance formula, how do you apply? Tell. Correct. Tell, method is correct. Tell now. By distance formula, what is to be done? The formula forget. By what is to be done? Distance formula, what is to be done? By distance formula, how we are going to do?
Distance of A and B and BX.
That's it. Then find distance between AB, BC, and sum of two things equal to third one, then it is they are collinear. That is AB plus BC that you have studied with the help of distance formula. Okay now. Now, can you find out the slope of AB?
Yes.
Yes, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Can you find out the slope of BC?
Yes.
If they are equal, if they are equal, how do you know? If the slopes are equal, what is the condition? Parallel means collinear. So then what is to be done? What did we prove? What is parallel to what? AB parallel to BC. What is the meaning of AB parallel to BC? Are they the two different lines or same line? Two different. Come and draw two different lines. AB parallel to BC, can it be two different lines? No. How will you prove two different parallel lines? This is AB. AB. Then it should start from here now. How will you draw the next one? So it should be extending over here. Yeah. Understood or not? Okay. It cannot be BC here. I cannot draw BC over here. No, again. Can you draw this way? No, no. So listen carefully. Once again, I am going to explain. To prove collinear, this is the easiest way to do it. Find out the slope of any two, AB and BC, or AB and AC, or BC and AC. Any two we find out. Find AB, BC. Next step, you write AB is parallel to BC if the slopes are equal. The next statement, one more statement only you have to write. B is a common point. Therefore, they are collinear. If it is AB is parallel to CD, then you cannot tell. It can be two different lines. But if it is AB is parallel to BC, means they should be on the same line. Okay, you want to write collinearity of 3 points. Collinearity of 3 points. Of 3 points. Right. To prove 3 points A, B, C. To prove 3 points capital A, B, C are collinear. Prove that slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Okay. And what is the next statement? B is as B is a common point. as B is a common point. B is a common point. Points are accordingly. Written all of you? Okay. Listen. With the help of the slope, how will you prove a parallelogram?
So if the opposite sides are slopes of the sides,
Find out all the four side slopes. Opposite side slopes are equal. Okay, slope of AB equal to CD, slope of AD equal to BC. That's a parallelogram. Previously we did by distance formula, not required. It's easier to do. Better this one. Now, how will you prove it's a rectangle?
there are gains and perpendicular.
One pair is
One.
one. So parallel, first you prove opposite sides of the mark parallel, and one of the angle 90 degree means one perpendicular condition. You don't need to find out anything else. Find all the four sides. Okay. What happened? Why did you John? Bilal will do a lot of things now. Bilal, what happened to you? Yeah. Okay. Then you will see that product up to adjacent will be -1. Okay. The angle you have to prove 90 degree now. How do you prove 90 degree? AB perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular means what? Product is equal to my product of the slopes is equal to -1. Are you followed? How do you prove it is a rhombus? One of what? Yes, so you tell why the how will you prove that bisected 90 degree with the help of the you prove the diagonals are perpendicular and opposite side slopes are equal. Parallelogram makes the diagonals perpendicular. Understood or not? One by one. Perpendicular means condition for perpendicular lines is what? And in the slope just now you wrote the read. When two lines are perpendicular. What is -1 slope? Product of the slopes is you wrote slopes -1 or product of the slopes. Product of the slopes. Okay, understood or not? All sides are, but you with the help of the slope, how do you find all sides equal? Distance formula you apply, na? You can find out distance formula, but you here with the help of the slope, using slope prove that ABCD is a rhombus. You cannot use the distance formula. What is your problem? What is your doubt?
So it's basically 4 points.
So 4 points are there. Then so A, B, C, D is there. You have A, B, C, D. 4 points are there. Find out slope of AB, slope of BC, slope of CD, and slope of AD. Opposite side slopes are equal. That means we reach till parallelogram. Now 2 more slopes we have to find out. Which one? Slope of AC and slope of BD. They are the diagonals. And you will see diagonal slopes product will be equal to -1. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
M1, M2 equal to -1. Then you will. Okay, now there are simpler ways are there that diagonal bisect each other. Parallelogram that will be. If the question is asked with the help of the slope and all, you have to do that accordingly. Okay, these are the basic properties are coming as for the slopes. Yeah, take out the exercise 14.2. By the way, look here, there are certain questions which are you need to do with the help of the table that you do yourself at home. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. It says 14.2. What happened? Yeah. Yeah. Don't. Square value from the log table. Log table you don't have.
Square roots.
Table will be give. Ask question. Square root finding from the table.
Yes.
I will square from the log table and That I was explained. Okay, those who don't problems, you bring the book and explain. Okay, before class, after class, during break, not now. Okay, now question number 1.
Sir,
Topic standard. What is the formula for slope? Nahi, I don't know. So right and then what? What is the formula for slope? Tan theta. What is the texture denoting for slope? M. So M is equal to tan theta. What is second standard? What is second formula to find the slope?
the 2 points.
Yes. Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus X1. Tell is equal to M. Okay. What is the condition for parallel lines? Slopes are equal. Yes, so this is going on now.
Sir,
Sit down. So, question Pratham, read the first question.
find the slope of the line of the international zero.
Zero means what is slope of the line? M is equal to tan 0. That is equal to 0. Second one, you have to use the table and find out. Okay, that you can do it. Okay. Second question. Find the inclination. Means tan theta is given now. Okay. Tan theta is equal to root. So right now, that you have to use table and get it now. Table. Okay, sit down. All of you follow out now how to do it. Second one, it is equal to, what is it? Tan theta is equal, M is equal to, sorry, M is equal to root 3. Therefore, tan theta is equal to root 3. M is equal to root 3. Therefore, tan theta is equal to root 3. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees. And in the second value, you have to use the table and find out that you can do it the same form. Take this one. Okay, third question. Find the slope of the line joining the points -2, -3, and 1, 2. All of you find out. The 2 points means which are tan theta can you apply? No, formula. Which formula? Y2 minus 1. So who got the answer? Got the answer? All of you. Listen, one of them take this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Therefore, M is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 1 plus 2. 5 by 3. Be careful. Okay, don't interchange. Second one. A comma minus B and B comma minus A. A comma minus B and B comma minus A. Completed. Got the answer?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer you got? Yep. Answer is equal to
1, sir.
1.
Yes.
Yes or no?
1, 1.
Minus A plus B upon
Minus.
B minus A. That is equal to 1. Oh, those are done. Other way. What A plus B upon A plus B? Who got? How did you get A plus B upon A plus B? Can you explain? Which way? If you are taking otherwise minus B plus A upon A minus B. Okay. Answer is 1. Okay. Completed all of you?
Yes.
That was question number which one? Third one. Okay. Now, fourth one. Find the slope of the line parallel to AB. Where A is parallel, slope of the line parallel to AB. So firstly, what is A? A is -2, 4. And B is what? 0, comma 6. Find out the slope of AB.
1.
Slope of AB is equal to, found out, 6 minus 4 upon 0 plus 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Okay, below right, if the lines are parallel, when the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. When lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Therefore, slope of the parallel line is equal to 1. That's all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Completed all of you?
Yes.
Now, write the question. Right. Yeah. Right. Write the question. For what value of M? For what value of M? The roots are equal. Roots are equal. Also find the solution. For what value of M, the roots are equal. Also find the solution. Everything is written over there. X square minus 2 times M minus 1 into X plus M plus 5 equal to 0. Rudra, huh? What value of M? The roots are equal. Also solve. Exercise and question number 11. Panda. Who is that?
I took bias and
Why this much struggling? I don't know.
sir.
Sir.
Also find
Also solve. Second question, solve. Reference is going. It's so complicated. What? Third question also written. Already written the answer. Not easy. And a square is equal to 9 plus KI, 5K. Every day you go. Abdul done all three. Yeah. This is second one is just solve. There is some not only variable also. Here actually M is there and X is there. Na? Identify the questions. Put it all three. No, she covered that. Done. Who? Third is so complicated, or? You did? All three. Yeah, okay, stop now.
Sir, last one.
Fast. Yeah, that much is enough. First question. What's done the first question? Yes, what is the answer of M?
Is equal to -1 or 4.
Is it so?
Yes, sir.
M is equal to -1 or 4. That is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Then solution, what? That is the half part. Second half.
-2 or 3.
When M is equal to -1, X is equal to how much?
-2.
-2. M is equal to 4. X is equal to 3. Okay, sit down. Second one. Yes, Priyanshu.
X or 1 plus minus.
What are the values of Y you got?
-1 or minus.
-1 or -5. So -4. Okay, then x square minus x is equal to -1 or x square minus x equal to -4. This is x square minus x plus 1. Stop talking. X square minus x plus 4 equal to 0. B square minus 4ac less than 0. No solution. Here, both the case, no solution. There is no answer. No solution at all. Here, huh? What is the value of b square minus 4ac? Here, what is the value of b square minus? Stop talking. What is the value of b square minus 4ac? 1 minus 4 minus 3 less than 0 means so you can use the formula. Last one you must have got. Who got the value? K is equal to minus 140. Correct. Similarity revision come okay.